Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alecia's kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making some Jamaican curry chicken and roti. Now let's cook. So guys, I'm cutting my chicken into small pieces. Then I'm going to remove like part of the skins which aren't necessary, like those parts right there. Yeah, just remove those. And I also went ahead and I removed that part. I don't know what it's called, but it's very bitter. I don't like the taste. So yeah, go ahead and remove that also. It's nasty. And I'm just using leg and thigh because my preference is the bony part of the chicken. I do not like breasts. I hate breasts. I love the bony parts like the rib and yeah, leg and thigh for me. So yeah. So now guys, I'm washing my chicken and I'll be using vinegar. You can use vinegar, lemon or lime juice. Yeah, and you're just gonna wash that and drain the excess water from the chicken. Okay, now guys, this is what's gonna give your pot flavor. Okay, so I'm using white potatoes. I'll also be using scallion, carrot, bell pepper, onion, some Thai chili pepper. I didn't have thyme, so yeah, I didn't have that. And what else, and garlic. Oh guys, and ginger. Now guys, I'm seasoning my chicken and I'm using curry, and this is a Better Pack curry. That's the brand. The brand is Better Pack, and I just find that this curry is just the best. I'll also be using some black pepper and salt. And guys, for this step, make sure you're wearing gloves, because honey, if you don't want your hands to like stain with curry or your nails, like honey, go ahead and use gloves. Okay, trust me, you're gonna thank me later on. Now guys, I'm just going to cover this and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. You can also do it overnight if you have the time. So now guys, on medium to high heat, I'm just adding oil and I'm just going to let that heat. Then you're going to add your chicken. Yeah, just go ahead and toss those chicken in, honey, but be careful. Careful. And you're gonna stir your chicken. Don't add any water or liquid to it as yet, just let it develop its own liquid. So you're just gonna continue turning that and let your chicken brown. So guys, I'm just covering it so that it can develop its own liquid, and boom, there you go. Then after, I'm just going to stir it. Try ensure not to let it burn, guys. Then I'm going to add about 2 cups of liquid water to it. Then I'll add my vegetables. Now guys, look at the color. This is just so beautiful, and it was well seasoned, guys, to perfection. But I'm just going to cover it and just let that simmer down for about 20 minutes. Okay, and then you just serve it. And guys, the roti recipe will be up shortly. Okay, but I thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.